works. Ironwork is a very common machine for the metal sheet working. For this machine, it has several different functions, just like the punching, sear. This is also the sear, and that one is the bending. Also, we have several different dies, just like that one is a notcher. This one to cut the pipe and the bar. Also, this is a notcher. Here is a notcher to the U switch, and this one also have several holes, just like the cutting the round pipe, U square, and slots, several different sizes. Frankly speaking, this one is very useful for your workshop. If you want to cut and bend in different parts, you don't need too many machinery. This one can do all the job for you. So in this case, this one can save you a lot of money. That's why this one have so many customers in the market. They like it. For our ironwork machine, we have 3 models. It's 50 tons, 55 tons, and 6 tons. This model is 55 tons, and this ton is the most popular one in the market. Right now, we have a lot to Europe and America. Let me introduce the detailed information of this machine. For this one, it's driven by the hydraulic station. In the back, there is a big hydraulic stations, and as you know, we usually export to Europe, America, and other factories. As you know, before shipment, we need to get the hydraulic oil out of the machinery, because during shipment, this oil is very damaged, dangerous. So we need to remove it out. When the customer receives this machinery, you need to fill the hydraulic oil by yourself. Then you can start these machineries. Okay. This is the hydraulic stations. For this one, the electrical system is very easy. Only one electric box and a simple switch. So the operate is very easy. For this one, it has the on-off switch and the turn switch. Turn switch have 2 pressing. It's a manual pressing and the auto pressings. It means for the manual operation, you need to press this foot pedal continuously. By the auto pressing, you need just to touch the pad one time. It will doing the job by themselves. Okay, first let me show you the punch functions. Here, for the punch, we have several different sizes. As you know, because the holes, they have different sizes. This one is 8, this one maybe 4 or 3. And also we can have a big hole punch dies, just like 15s, 20s, 13s, many different sizes. Also, about the thickness, we also can punch different thickness. As you know, the hole size is smaller, the thickness will be bigger. So if you want to punch the different holes, just let me know your plate materials, thickness, and holes diameters. Then we can supply the correct dies for you to ensure our machine can do your jobs. Okay, let me show you how it works. First, you need to open the emergency stop. Then press open. Okay. Okay. You can see it can punch the hole very easily, and the edge looks very smooth and nice because it's know our machine is very powerful. Still, after the punch, the dies, the work pieces will slide out from this part. So now, during the punch, if you press the stop buttons, it will stop. But before the next starts, you need to touch the limit switch. Somebody will ask me, why you need to touch the limit switch? Let me show you why. First, start. Then, press the foot pedal. Look, you just hearing some sound, but the machine is not moving because in your last operation, you press the stop or press the emergency stop, so that function is finished. If you touch the limit switch, look, the light here, this light is become red. Okay, then you press for the pedal. Look, it moves. So, for the operation, please must remember, after you press the stop or emergency stop, you need to touch the limit switch before your next operation. Okay, that's the punch functions. Okay. Let me show you the sear. This part is for the sears. For the sear, we have this part to press the metal sheet. First, you need to move the cutting piece up. Then you can put the metal sheet get in. Okay. Look, it's not moving. So you need to touch this limit switch. Okay, it's moving. Look at this part. Okay, it will press the metal sheet to let it to ensure the metal sheet will not move. Then press the foot pedal. The cutting is finished. You can see here the metal sheet is finished. Open this part and get. Okay, this is sear. Also here, it's another sear functions. Let me show you. In the back of the machine, there is a back gauge to ensure the part length is the right size. Okay. Look, it looks very nice. The edge, there is no chips and borings on the edges. Okay, this is the shear functions. Later I show you the bending. As you know, for the foot pedals, we have a long plugs to ensure you can move the foot pedal to anywhere you want. First, you need to move it up. Here, you can see the bending angles. As you know, for the bending functions, they have two blades. This is the up blade, and this one is the bottom blade. For the bottom blade, it has several slots, because as you know, for different custom, the bending angle is different. So it will usually make several different slots on the four sides. Okay. As you know, the ironworks is very useful for the workshop. Maybe somebody will use it maybe for 5 hours or 4 hours one day. Maybe it's during 1 month, it will work maybe 20 days or 40 days. As you know, after long time use, the maintenance is very important, especially the lubricate. Just like for this one, we have several parts to put in the lubricate. So for the operator, you must care about the maintenance to involve the troubleshoot. Okay, that's the main function of these ones. If you have any questions or need some more information about this machine, you can visit our website and Alibaba website. Also, we have some video in YouTube. You can look this video. Of course, if you don't find the information, you can contact our engineer teams and sales team. We can give you answers. Okay, that's all for this one. Let me show you another machineries.